Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to change the three buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to find System Management. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and obviously we've got two different options. So right now we've got the 3-button navigation. I wanted to show you that here you can customize them. So you can not only change the order of navigation keys, so you can reorder back button and the recents, but you can also change the icon style from those, I would say, lines to full shapes. It's completely up to you which option you prefer. And if you wish to change it to the gestures, simply tap on gesture navigation, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it if you wish just by tapping on the switcher here. Let me tap on turn on, and as you can see it will disappear. You can also decide whether you would like to swipe horizontally to switch between apps, something like that. And as you can see, just by swiping you can, maybe not like that, something like that. You can change to the app which was previously opened, which is quite nice and quite useful. Here we've got the gesture navigation tutorial, so we can go through it and learn. You can swipe to bring up digital assistant and circle to search, which will not work because we've got the bottom bar hidden. So you have to choose between those two options. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center like that. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same from the right side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.